Good morning, students. Today we will study the solutions of a quadratic equation. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Okay. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Now let's consider a quadratic equation two x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now if we put x is equal to 1, then 2 into 1 is square minus 3 into 1 plus 1, this is equal to 2 minus 3 plus 1, and this is equal to 0. Okay, so we can say that 1 is the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, or we can also say that 1 is the root of the quadratic equation. Okay, so if we say that it is a zeros of the polynomial or a root of a quadratic equation, both means same. So let's find the x square minus 6x x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. We have to solve this equation by splitting the middle term. So x square, you can write minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Take x common, x minus 3 minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. So 3 and 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, students. Now students, consider another example. 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is a middle term. So this middle term we have to split in such a way that the product is equal to product is equal to 6x square into minus 2, that is minus 12x square, that is equal to minus 12x square, or sum and difference should be equal to minus x. Okay, so how can we write? We can write 6x square minus 4x plus 3x. Now see, minus 4x plus 3x gives you minus x, and if you multiply minus 4x into 3x, you will get minus 12x square. So minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we can take 2x common, so 3x minus 2 plus 1, 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x plus 1, 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we put each factor is equal to 0. So put 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this gives us x is equal to minus 1 by 2, and this gives us x is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 are the roots. Now I will not take that I will not say the term zeros, because we are mainly bothered with the roots, since roots and zeros means both the same. Are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, now let's consider another example. 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2. Now how will we split? Now see the product. Product is 3x square into 2, that is 6x square, and sum or difference should be equal to minus 2 root 6. So how will we write? So we can write 3x square minus root 6x and minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now see, minus root 6 and minus root 6, this comes to minus 2 root 6, and if we multiply minus root 6 into minus root 6, it becomes 6x square. Okay students, now we can take root 3 common, so here root 3x, so the root 3x minus root 2, and again we can take minus root 2 common, so root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so root 3x minus root 2 and root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0, and again root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to root 2 by 3, and here also x is equal to root 2 by 3. So root 2 by 3 and root 2 by 3 are the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay students, I think this is clear to you.